All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set. This is the Vampire. Got the Vampire teeth fangs on these. Okay, 6 top, 6 bottom. This is real gold, guys. 10K gold, not gold plated. This is real solid gold. 10K. Show you the back side. So it just snaps right on the teeth there. You got your 10K stamp. Okay. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can do a top, you can do a bottom, you can do a set. It's up to you. Check it out. You got the links in the description there. Take you right to the product page. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.